Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid and today we are going to learn about another fantastic chart type in Tableau. As you know, we are exploring these charts one by one and today's focus is on horizontal lollipop chart. So what exactly is a lollipop chart? Well, it's a fun and visually appealing way to display data, especially when you want to highlight specific values. Think of it as a bar chart, but with a twist. Instead of just a solid bar, we have a thin line leading to a dot like a lollipop, making it easier to see the actual data points. Let's dive into the chart on the screen. This is a horizontal lollipop chart where we are comparing the sales of different brands. These brands are listed on the left side like Britannia, Parle-G Super and others. Each line represents the total sales and the lollipop or the dot at the end of the line shows the exact sales figure. For example, you can see that Britannia is leading with 2600 sales, followed closely by the Parle-G with 2500 sales. The thin line make it easy to compare the sales between different brands, while the lollipop give us a precise number.
Let's drag the brand to the rows. This will list all the brands as you can see here. Then I will drag the sales to the columns. Now I have a basic bar chart. From standard, I'm selecting this entire view, and from here I will be sorting it from largest to smallest. Since we are making a lollipop chart, we need to make the bars thinner to look like a sticks. To do this, click on the size and I will decrease the size to this one. Now we need to add the circle at the end of each bar. So first of all, I'm going to press Ctrl from my keyboard and I will drag this sales measure on the right side. Now we have two charts here. I'm going to select this second one from this mark section. And now from here I'm going to select this circle and I'm going to increase its size to this one. Now I have to combine these both charts into one chart. So I'm going to select this second measure and from here I'm going to select this dual axis. You might notice that the bar disappear, but don't worry, go back to the first chart, this one, and I'm going to change its type to this bar. So this bar selection will bring up the chart back. To make sure everything lines up correctly, right click on this axis and I'm going to select this synchronize axis. Again right click on it and I will disable this header. Now I'm going to select this second one and from here I'm selecting this label and from here show marks label. I'm selecting this one. So now I'm having the sales number which each brand. So now this is easy for me to read the sales numbers.
Let's take a closer look at the vertical lollipop chart. On the x-axis at the bottom, you will see various brands like Britannia, Parle-G Super and so on. Each of these brands have a vertical line representing their sales with a circle at the top indicating the exact sale figure. This circle is what we call the lollipop. For example, Britannia is leading with 2600 sales followed by the Parle-G with 2500. These numbers are easy to spot because the lollipops draw your attention directly to the data points. It's a simple and yet powerful way to compare sales figures of different brands.
So first of all, I will right click on it and I will duplicate it. This is my vertical lollipop chart. So to make this vertical, I will be selecting this option, swap rows and columns. If I will select this will change its orientation from horizontal to vertical. So first of all, I'm going to decrease the size of the circles. So for this, I'm going to select this second chart and I'm going to this size and I will be decreasing its size. Then I'm going to select this first chart and I'm going to decrease its size as well. So now this is looking perfect.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We have got plenty more Tableau charts coming your way. Thanks for watching and until next time, keep exploring your data with Tableau. I will see you in the next episode of this incredible playlist. Goodbye.